Hi, welcome to Floreon3d. Just another video on some sample filament that I received from 3D Filament. As you can see, I've got quite a few here. They're all PLA and they were all printed at 210 degrees on 60 degree bed. It was printed on the CR10, which is quite an amazing printer at the moment. I'm quite pleased with it. So yeah, shall we get down and have a little look at some of the print qualities and if there was any issues? Let's have a look. See you in a minute. Okay then, welcome back. Right, so for the first colour we have crystal clear Iceland blue. As you can see, I made a little maker coin. Reason for that is I was trying to think what to print, and then Maker's Muse video popped up on my phone and it was about making maker coins. So I thought, okay, I'll jump into Fusion 360 and knock up some maker coins. Reason being is, obviously, when you get sent some samples to try out, they only send 10 meters of plastic. So I thought, let's make a maker coin. So crystal clear Iceland blue, absolutely really nice. As you can see in the light, you could see right through it more or less. Absolutely nice to print with. This is PLA and it is by Fillamentum. As you can see, virtually no layer lines and it printed excellent. So that was crystal clear Iceland blue. Let's chuck that to one side. And we've got iron grey. Iron grey, I have purchased a kilo spool of this myself just because it's quite a nice grey. I quite like the dark grey side of things. It printed really nice as well. As you can see, these were all printed on the CR10, which yes is quite a fantastic printer for the price range on that as well. Okay, so quickly just drop back to the iron grey. Iron grey is made by 3D Filament, which 3D Filament's own brand is actually really good quality. I normally buy my stuff through them, which is good for the good quality for the price as well. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description from where you can find all these samples and obviously kilo reels. So anyway, right back. Turquoise blue. This is Fillamentum stuff. It's all PLA materials I'm showing you today. And the print temperatures for these were 190 to 210. Now I sat at the highest limit, which was 210, just because I found that it does print a bit more nicer and you get a really nice shine overall. So yeah, that's turquoise blue. Okay, this is a bit of an unusual colour for me, really, because it's labelled up as Traffic Purple by Fillamentum. Traffic Purple, I was just like, I've heard of Traffic Light Red, Traffic Green, but Traffic Purple. So I had to look online for this, try and figure out what it meant really, Traffic Purple. And all that come up was a traffic, which was a purple cone. So all I can say is it's obviously traffic cones, which I must say is a very nice purple though. I do like this purple. As you see, it printed really nicely. No issues in layer lines. It looks flowed really well out the hot end. Okay, so here we have Vertigo Grey. As you can see, it is quite speckly. It's got, I believe it's got glitter in it. Yeah, printed really nice again. One of my favourite colours, I must admit. I will be purchasing some of that myself. This isn't a paid review, by the way. This is my own personal review on these filaments. I use 3D Filament myself for my personal use for filament. So yeah. Okay, next colour is a luminous orange. As you can see, it does look a bit red more than anything, but it is definitely a luminous orange. I don't think the camera does it any justice, really. But yeah, absolutely nice colour, printed really well. No issues with that either. Running out of room here. Okay, so my favourite colour so far out of this sample sent to me by 3D Filament is Vertigo Galaxy. Absolutely stunning colour. It has got glitter in it. If I could try and get a really nice image, there you go, you can see it. Really, really nice maker coin. As you can see, really glittery. Yeah, definitely like this colour. I was a little bit worried at first having glitter and stuff in the actual PLA itself, in the material itself. I was a bit worried about nozzle clogs or something like that, but absolutely no problems at all with this stuff. I've been quite lucky, touch wood. I've not really ever had a nozzle clog. So happy days with that. Okay, so this brings me to the last one, which is a company that I've not heard of, which is Floreon3d. But wow, yeah, nice filament, very vibrant colour, yellow. It's definitely, there's some layer lines with this stuff, but the print temperature for this is 190 to 235. I done it at 210, so I might redo this one at a slightly higher temperature and just see if I could get rid of these layer lines a little bit. But other than that, it's very nice. They do send this little like pamphlet thing, which, as you can see, it says recyclable and biodegradable, minimal nozzle clogging, less machine downtime and less waste. Here it's got manufactured using less energy than conventional plastics, 4 times tougher than PLA, made from plants not oil, and improved impact resistance. Well, maybe I will get some more and I'll make something that we could try and smash up and just see if it is more impact resistant. Virtually odour free. Yeah, I can vouch for that, as I sit virtually next to my printer. I didn't smell anything, so that's all good. And it says more flexible than standard PLA. Yes, definitely. It did feel a little bit different when I was loading it into the machine and stuff. This material tends to be a bit more snappy, I suppose. So yeah, that's 3D Floreon. You can, as you can see, there's print settings, not settings, print temperatures on the back there. As you can see, 190 to 235. Now the print temperature for the bed says 55 degrees. I done it at 60 degrees. I don't think it really matters. You could probably do it on a cold bed, to be fair. So yeah, that's the filaments anyway, guys. So let's head up top. Okay then, guys, that was the filament review. I will leave a link in the description for all these filaments and where you can get them, which I will just say now, it is 3dfilament.com. So check them out. They're great value for money. 3D Filament's own premium brand is absolutely flawless for printing. I've got a few of their spools, which I've been very impressed with. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description, so go check them out. Just hit the like and subscribe button for more future videos. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye.